from Sapa town to the most beautiful village in Sapa, which is Lao Chai and Ta. Okay, so please focus in the video. I'll show you what we are going to do in the trip, and all along the way we also see the breathtaking views, and a lot of tourists coming here as well. These villages are flocked by many tourists. Now in the middle of the day and it's getting hot, so yeah, but the scenery is still beautiful, but unfortunately the camera is not working really well because under the very hot condition. It's such a scorcher day today. Yeah, okay, and the view is still amazing. Okay, so this is the very easy walk, but in the next video I'm gonna make a very difficult walk, which is extended the journey to be longer. There's a beautiful cafe in here, so we're going to stop there and maybe get a quick drinks just to cool ourselves down a little bit. I reckon this is the most beautiful cafe in this village. Look at that. The view is amazing. This is absolutely second to none. Yeah, this is once in the blue moon to have this kind of weather. Yeah, because we don't always have this kind of weather. Yeah, this is absolutely incredible. Yeah, we can see it from the distance. And down there in the valley, that is the next village where we're heading to. So the journey is long, but you know, the scenery is really make up for it.
Tôi ở đâu vậy? Ủa, không đẩy quay xe ở dưới này mình sợ luôn. Tưởng lao xe xuống được đấy nhỉ? Không, dưới này sâu lắm. Đấy. Lúc nào một đồ chín sẽ đi làm một bộ ảnh đồ chín. Không nói chủ có được bạn.
Okay, in front of us in the valley, that is the second village in a row today. So it's named Lao Chai. Okay, and it is where we are heading to. Along the walk, you probably see a lot of street vendors, which is waiting and try to talk to you. And they speak quite a good English. They actually can, to make you buy things. This is the most difficult part in our journey. Yeah, the road is very small and with a long cliff down there in the valley. So if we fall, we will get mud. That's it. Okay, so now we are walking in the small path, and this can be very slippery during this rainy day. So if you are trekking in Sapa during the rainy day, or so you better to get the boots in Sapa. You can buy or rent it from the local people. Yeah, the path is very shady, and this is what I need for my walk because it's absolutely very hot. Okay, so these are all my friends. Yeah, lots of people. Now in the cafe, and this is absolutely incredible. So I'm now having a fresh orange juice. Yeah, and the price is reasonable. It's not so expensive. Yeah. And if you want to know where that is, I definitely will show you the address. And the scenery is amazing down there. Look at that. Okay, yes. Okay. To be honest, I'm not new here. Yeah, because I'm native here. But yeah, I'd like to stroll and walk around the villages because it's part and parcel of my job. So, please subscribe for more. I will definitely show you and maybe give you some ideas about the travel guide and travel tips. Thank you so much.